If you like a camping or you want to have some battery for some emergency, look at this. Small. Here's the, you can connect, you can charge your electric, you can charge your solar, but you need for charger solar, you need to buy separate the panel solar. So, but you can change with the electric. We use it when we go to camping, and we use it for air mattress, for charge your phone, for small fans, and take probably 2 days with electric. Look it, it's very small. You can put in your bag. I have this for almost 3 years already. It's a good quality. Look at this.